Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and choo-choo! It's time to find our winner of the Trick or Treat Halloween Dollar Tree train. And I probably didn't get that all in the right order, but the main thing is to find the winner. As you know, we had 11 in our collaboration, and there's going to be 22 different winners. And I'm going to pick my two right now. I have the URL copied and into the YouTube comment picker. We have that all set up. We've got filter for duplicates. The first one we're going to do is for trick, and 6 plus 1 is 7, and we're going to see how many comments for trick, and there were 45 for trick. Thank you very much. Now I wish you all the best of luck. I thank you all for participating and subscribing. If you went over to new channels, we really appreciate it. And you know, the Dollar Tree train will pull out again. I'm not quite sure when, but be on the lookout for it. For now, let's start this party. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? It's Kim's A Little of a Lot. Hey Kim, congratulations, you just won the trick. Yeah, we have a trick or treat and you got the trick. Hi Miss Jackie, you and I have many similar signs. I like the truck with the pumpkins. I rate yours a 10. Trick or treat to you. Well, trick or treat to you too, and happy Halloween, Kim. And I do need to check to make sure you're subscribed to all 11 channels, and I will be right back. Okay guys, it's official. Kim is subscribed to all 11 channels. She is our winner of the trick in my trick or treat giveaway. Kim, you have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com, and I will get your package out right away. Just remember that YouTube and Dollar Tree are not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. And now we're going to go on to the treat winner. Okay, we're back at the YouTube comment picker. I have the URL in, filter for duplicates. I have the word treat in for our second winner. And 6 plus 5 is 11. And let's get the comments for this one. And we had 51 that entered in for the treat. And we're going to go down here, and I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you very much for participating in the Dollar Tree chain. Again, thank you for subscribing to everyone, all 11 channels. And let's get this party started and find out who our winner is. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Shawnee Smith. Hey, congratulations, Shawnee. Shawnee says, I have to give your DT Halloween haul a 10. Love the half moon and the truck and the witch hat, super cute. And I'm more into treat than trick. I have pulled tricks in the past on all my kids, and I was tricked as a child, and that was fun too. All right, Shawnee. Well, hey, congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I am going to double check to make sure you're publicly subscribed to all channels, and I'll be back. All right, guys, it's official. We have our second winner for the treat. Wasn't this fun? We had 2 winners in mine, 22 altogether. Everyone is different, and you all subscribe publicly to our channels. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We do appreciate that. And I appreciate all the ladies that was in this collaboration. And as I said, the Dollar Tree train will pull out again. You have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com. And I will get your package out right away. As for today, that's all I have. And I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.